Morning, welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. You know, like a lot of other people, I've decided to pay a little more attention to my body's health. My family gave me an Apple Watch, and so now I can keep track of my heart rate, an EKG, and my blood oxygen. But what's missing is my blood pressure. So I went out and picked up a Withings blood pressure monitor with Bluetooth enabled. We're going to do an unboxing and I'll share what I find. This is a USB cable. An instruction manual and the cuff. Well, it was easy enough to download the Withings HealthMate app onto my iPhone and then pair the device, and after going through an update, everything is ready to be used. So I don't need the app to be on to use the device. All I do is slip my arm in using the D-ring cuff, attach it securely, and then rest comfortably with my arm at a comfortable angle, device at heart height. I'm going to press it once to turn it on, and then press it again to begin taking my blood pressure. Okay, now the cuff is relaxing and the readings are displayed on the LED panel right on the device. Now it couldn't be any easier. The information is then transferred by Bluetooth to the HealthMate app, and by connecting Apple's Health app to Withings HealthMate app, they carry the same information, and I can view either or both however I want when the time comes. So thanks again for watching. This is Earl Griffiths from Early Riser Workshop. Good day and good health.